Augment Bionics is a student-led project with the goal of designing and manufacturing a 3D printed prosthetic arm. Ultimately, the design will be affordable, functional, aesthetically pleasing, and most of all, empowering. Similar initiatives already exist, but we have some innovative features in mind that will change the way amputees interact with the world. There are still many challenges to overcome, but we couldn't be more excited to tackle them.
From a mechanical standpoint, the most interesting but difficult part is the design of a robust finger actuation mechanism, which allows for precise motion while also retaining its simplicity and affordability. We have designed our own unique mechanism, which we believe allows the prosthesis to handle heavier objects whilst also increasing its product life.
For the design team, it is imperative that our product be functional, ergonomic, and stylish. We want our users to be proud of their prosthesis, but we also want them to be as comfortable as possible. So we're exploring biocompatible polymeric materials to use in our custom sockets. These materials can mimic the unique properties of human skin to produce a lasting socket with sufficient grip that feels natural to the touch.
User-friendliness is at the core of our programming principles. Using widely available electronic components, we're currently building a physically controlled system that not only reads supple signals from muscles to the skin, but also includes sensor feedback, fast response actuation, and anti-crash control. Our machine learning algorithm built into this prosthesis can learn to adapt individuals' unique signals and interpret them into the desired hand movements. This smart prosthesis is very much a plug-and-play product and will learn how to best work for its user.
While we are all passionate about Augment Bionics and the cause it stands behind, we have limited private resources. The estimated cost of materials required to build our first fully functional prototype is under £500. While we are already saving on research and development costs thanks to our dedicated volunteers, supported by the university's facilities, we still require additional financial backing to take our project one step closer to success.
Unlike larger companies, our independent nature gives a lot of room for creative freedom and experimentation. In the future, we hope to make a modular prosthetic arm for children that adapts to their growth. At the heart of Augment Bionics, we strive to increase quality of life and, most importantly, the freedom of our users.